Caribbean. Go on, my girl, go on. Check out West Indies. Can I take your order, please?
No, Patsy, what you want?
Sir, I don't have time for a phone bill, you know, I can take your order.
Alright. We can get 1 pepper steak, 1 curry goat and 2 fruit punch.
Alright, is that it?
Yeah, man.
That come up to £14. Is this a pick up or you want delivery?
Make the delivery there, yeah, man.
Alright, we can get your address.
Yeah, 44 Long Avenue, Black Road, SW12 9AP. You should find me with the right one corner.
Oh, a true man. You literally there right around the corner. So what make you can't come pick it up?
Pay for the service, mom. I feel like come up to them, man. Sure.
So sir, me fi cookie food for you, pack it up, and then just come to walk around the corner and give it to you too.
Yes, and a customer service.
Sir, let me ask you a question. You have 2 foot?
Yes, me have 2 foot.
You have 10 to
Then the most.
The me will see in 10 minutes. Your collection number is 278.